subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has officially launched the successor of Oppo A53 5G smartphone in India as Oppo A53s with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A53s 5G supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 88.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset coupled with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A53s 5G features a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and another 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.7 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 189.6 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A53s 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 14,990 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,990 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in crystal blue and ink black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A53s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.